Hello, everybody. Hello, beautiful people. Good day and welcome to this amazing and mind-blowing video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing about how to take care of your dentures. Okay, how to take good care of your dentures. So, if you're a denture wearer or you have a denture wearer around you or in your family, you will actually need this video so you educate them on how to take good care of the dentures. You can actually forward the video to them also so they watch. And then if you're a dental student, I'm very sure you will learn something from this video. So please hold on and watch this video with me to the end. All right, my name is Jethro Joel and I'm your host for today. If you are new to our channel, please, I would love you to give us a like, share, comment and subscribe so you get notified when next we release amazing, interesting and mind-blowing videos like this. Now let's get into business. Now, to start with, let us define what is a denture. Okay, now dentures are artificial prostheses that are designed and fabricated to replace missing teeth and surrounding tissues. It is designed to replicate the natural missing tooth as much as possible and to perform the functions of the missing tooth also. Okay, now this is the definition of a denture. In a nutshell, in a layman term, we say dentures are artificial teeth. I believe you can see the picture on the screen with me. So now, how do we care for these dentures? Now, you see, these dentures, if you're a denture wearer, these dentures automatically become part of your body for the period of time you are using it. Okay, it becomes part of your body because it lives in your body. It spends hours in your body. And then it is very important for you to take good care of these dentures, because taking care of the dentures is taking good care of your oral cavity and thereby taking good care of your general health and well-being. Okay, now first of all, how do you take good care of these dentures? Do not drop it from a height on a hard surface, right? Do not drop it from a height on a hard surface. Do not be fond of dropping your denture on the floor or just throwing it around on the wall or some hard surfaces. Why? Because these dentures can break. Right now, dentures are mostly made of metals or alloys. They are made of thermoplastic materials or acrylic. Okay, now we called it the polymethyl methacrylate. Okay, now believe me, these materials are actually very strong, right? But then no matter how strong they are, if you abuse it has a tendency to either break or deform, right? So it will be of very good importance for you to avoid dropping it from a height in order to avoid it breaking or getting it deformed. Okay, now next is, anytime you remove the denture from your mouth, make sure you put it in a bowl of clean water. Now, from the day the denture was given to you in the clinic, I'm very sure your dentist must have told you that anytime you remove the denture, you put it in a bowl of water. Now, it is advised that you get a bowl or a small container that is clean, and then you put clean water inside and put your denture. Now, it is advised that you change that water also as often as possible. Okay, so please, when you remove your denture, put it in a bowl of clean water and cover it. Now, when you leave the denture dry and exposed, it can lead to what we call crazing or cracks on the surface of the denture. So please, whenever you remove your denture from your mouth, make sure you put it in a bowl of clean water. Now, next is, you avoid dropping your denture on unsterilized surfaces. Now, what do I mean by unsterilized surfaces? Maybe after playing football or after playing around, your hands are dirty, it is not sterilized. Avoid putting your denture on your hand. Avoid putting your dentures on the bed. Avoid putting your dentures on the kitchen, on the chairs and all of that, on tables, right? Because those surfaces are unsterilized, and then there's a tendency that they can carry bacteria and microorganisms into your mouth that will later on affect your health. So avoid dropping your denture on unsterilized surfaces. Okay, now next is, make sure you wash your denture as often as possible. Now, as I said earlier on, these dentures have essentially become part of your body, whether you like it or not, for the period of time you are using it. Why? Because you put it in your mouth and it stays hours, right? And then I'm very sure you know that within those hours, it can do a lot of damage to your body if it is infected. Good. So make sure you wash it as often as possible. You can wash it anytime you are brushing. You are brushing in the morning or in the night. Make sure you brush your denture as well to keep it clean, sterilized, and healthy for your use. Now, next is do not toy with the denture. Now, this denture, some children will actually see it as a play stuff, or they will actually want to play with it or jump around with it. Please, the denture is not a toy. The denture is not a play toy. Please do not play with your denture. Keep it clean, keep it neat, and make sure it is used only for the purpose it was meant for. When it is in your mouth, it is in your mouth. When it is out of your mouth, you put it in a bowl of clean water. Do not toy with it. Do not give children to be playing around with it and all of that. Okay? Now, the next thing I have here is that make sure you return your denture for relining when it is loose. Now, from the first day you are giving the denture, you will discover that it is very tight and very fit, right? But as time goes on, because of what we call alveolar ridge resorption, it tends to become loose and watery. It tends to lose its grip compared to how it was the first day it was given to you. Okay, now alveolar ridge resorption means the shrinkage in size of the alveolar ridge. The alveolar ridge is the space where the denture sits. Okay, so when your denture is loose and it is ill fitting, it is not fitting, it does not mean the denture is old or it automatically needs replacement. What it needs is relining. So you can return it to your dentist and tell him to reline the denture so it fits properly and it does not remove anymore. Okay. Now you can also return it for repair in case if the denture gets broken, in case if it fell on a hard surface and it gets broken, right? You can return it to have it repaired instead of requesting for a new one, right? You can return it for repair, right? Now, next on the list, and I think one of the most important also, is that if you want to eat food and you really want to consume a large volume of food and you want to feel very comfortable, you can decide to remove the denture and keep it in that bowl of clean water and eat your food. Why? Because there are situations or there are cases where dentures that are small in size tend to be swallowed by patients. So please, if you know that you want to eat a large volume of food, you can do well to remove the denture and keep it in a bowl of water. When you are done eating, you replace it. Okay? But then if you know it will not remove, if you know it is large enough and it cannot be swallowed, you are good to go. So I think I've done justice to this video. Please let me know in the comment section what you have in addition to this, to the points I just made. Okay, I would love to see your comments in the comment section and I will reply you as fast as I can. Okay, otherwise I think we've come to the end of this video. It's nice having you around and I would love to see you in my next video. Bye.